Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best whitening strips is probably one of the most sought-after solutions for achieving a brighter, more confident smile without the hefty price tag of professional treatments, and in this video, we're diving deep into the world of at-home teeth whitening to uncover the top contenders that deliver noticeable results safely and effectively, helping you navigate the options to find the perfect fit for your smile goals. Number 5. Crest 3D Whitestrips Professional Effects. Discover the power of a radiant smile. Our advanced formula is designed to lift away years of stains, revealing a noticeably whiter smile. Experience professional-level whitening from the comfort of your home. Achieve results that rival in-office treatments with our easy-to-use strips. See a dramatic difference in just one treatment. It can make your teeth up to 19 shades whiter, transforming your smile's appearance. Our formula is tough on stains but gentle on your enamel. You can achieve a brilliant white smile without compromising your oral health. Enjoy a visibly whiter smile that lasts. This kit provides 22 treatments, ensuring you can maintain your dazzling results. Simply apply the strips to your teeth and let them work their magic. The convenient design ensures a comfortable and effective whitening experience. What we like? This offers professional-level whitening results, making your teeth up to 19 levels whiter. If you're looking for the most dramatic and effective whitening, this is the one for you. It's ideal for those who want a significant transformation and are aiming for a truly dazzling smile. What people say. The strips are easy to apply and remove, and they don't slip. I noticed a significant difference in my teeth's whiteness after just a few uses. The formula is gentle and didn't cause any sensitivity. Number 4. Crest 3D Whitestrips Vivid Plus. Tired of dull teeth? Discover the secret to a visibly whiter smile in just days. Get ready to shine with our advanced whitening technology. Experience a dramatic transformation. These strips are designed to deliver noticeable results quickly, making your smile brighter than ever before. Achieve a truly radiant smile. Our powerful formula can lift stains and brighten your teeth by up to 8 levels, giving you a stunning transformation. Whiten with confidence. Our gentle formula is safe for your enamel, ensuring a comfortable and effective whitening experience. Get a complete smile makeover with 12 treatments included in this kit. That's enough for a full course of dazzling results. Unlock a more vibrant smile with our Vivid Plus formula. It's specifically designed to tackle tough stains and deliver exceptional whitening. What we like? Achieve visibly whiter teeth in just days, with an 8-level improvement. If you need quick results for an upcoming event or just want to see a difference fast, this is a great choice. It's perfect for those who value speed and visible progress in a short amount of time. What people say. These whitening strips are designed to be comfortable and easy to apply, conforming to the shape of your teeth for even coverage. The advanced formula effectively removes stains from coffee, tea, and wine, revealing a noticeably brighter smile within just a few days of use. Each strip is pre-portioned and individually wrapped, making them convenient for travel and ensuring freshness. Number 3. GuruNanda Teeth Whitening Strips Kit. Tired of dull teeth? Get ready for a noticeably brighter smile in just 7 days with our advanced whitening system. Our convenient 7-day treatment is designed to fit seamlessly into your routine. Experience professional-level whitening from the comfort of your home. Say goodbye to messy strips. Our innovative dry strip technology ensures a secure, non-slip fit for maximum comfort and effectiveness. Formulated with care, it gently lifts stains without causing sensitivity. You can achieve a radiant smile safely and effectively. Unlock your most confident smile yet. This easy-to-use kit delivers visible results, transforming your teeth in just 1 week. What we like? Experience a complete 7-day treatment with innovative non-slip, dry strip technology. If you dislike messy applications and want strips that stay put, this is your best bet. It's designed for comfort and ease of use, ensuring a pleasant whitening experience. What people say. The strips are easy to apply and remove, and they don't slip off. I noticed a visible difference in my teeth's whiteness after just a few uses. The gentle formula didn't cause any sensitivity or discomfort. Number 2. Visage Teeth Whitening Pen, 2-pack. Introducing the Venus Visage Teeth Whitening Pen, your secret to a radiant smile. This pack includes 2 pens, offering a convenient way to achieve professional results at home. Experience powerful stain removal without sensitivity. Our enamel-safe mint formula is designed for effective whitening while being gentle on your teeth. With over 30 uses per pen, you can maintain your bright smile for longer. Its portable design makes touch-ups easy, anytime, anywhere. Effortlessly remove stubborn stains from coffee, wine, and tobacco. Achieve a noticeably whiter smile with consistent use. This versatile tool also functions as a denture repair kit, providing a quick fix for minor denture issues. It's your all-in-one solution for oral care confidence. Unlock a more confident you with a brighter, healthier-looking smile. Get your Venus Visage Teeth Whitening Pen pack today and start your journey to a dazzling smile. What we like. This offers a low-sensitivity formula that effectively removes tough stains from coffee, wine, and tobacco. If you have sensitive teeth or are a regular coffee-wine drinker, this pen is a fantastic option. Its portability also makes it ideal for touch-ups on the go. What people say. These whitening strips are very effective and easy to use. I noticed a significant difference in my teeth whitening after just a few uses. The strips adhere well to the teeth and do not slip off during application. Number 1. Crest 3D Whitestrips 2-Week Smile Transformation. Introducing Crest 3D Whitestrips, designed for a dramatic smile transformation. Achieve noticeably whiter teeth in just 2 weeks. Experience a radiant smile with our advanced formula. It's proven to deliver 11 levels whiter teeth in only 14 days. Our enamel-safe kit provides powerful whitening without compromising your oral health. You can trust it for a gentle yet effective treatment. This kit includes 16 treatments, giving you everything you need for a full 2-week transformation. Get ready to reveal your most confident smile. Achieve the dazzling smile you've always wanted. Crest 3D Whitestrips make it simple and effective to brighten your teeth. What we like. Get a noticeably whiter smile in just 2 weeks, achieving up to 11 levels brighter. If you're looking for a reliable and noticeable improvement within a 2-week time frame, this kit is perfect. It's great for those who want a clear, achievable goal for a brighter smile. What people say. The strips are easy to apply and remove, and they don't slip off. I noticed a visible difference in my teeth's whiteness after just a few uses. The formula is gentle and doesn't cause any tooth sensitivity. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.